everyone, it's time for Reshma's Beauty Tip of the Week. And today's question is, does henna oil change your hair color? Well, I'm going to give you the answer right now, but before that, do subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon for regular notifications. And the answer is absolutely not. But henna oil is very good for you because it's a popular hair care product that is widely used for its conditioning and nourishing properties. Henna oil is rich in nutrients such as essential fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins, which can also help to nourish and strengthen the hair. It is also believed to have anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, which can help soothe the scalp and prevent dandruff and other scalp infections. Many people use our henna oil as a natural remedy for various hair problems such as dryness, fizziness, and hair fall. I also use it at least twice a week as it makes my hair so much softer and shinier. So what I usually do is I generously apply this oil on my scalp and evenly distribute it all over. But don't forget the ends of your hair because they're the ones that get frizzy and rough. So make sure you have generous amounts of oil all over your hair, especially the ends. And then keep it on as long as you like. I like to keep it in for at least an hour, and then I wash off and shampoo and condition as normal. Well, why is oil so good for you? Well, while you're massaging it into your scalp, what happens is it not only stimulates your blood circulation, but also helps get all the dirt and impurities out that might be blocking you getting hair growth. So this practice will make sure you're getting more and more hair growth and less hair fall, which we all want. And we have 3 solution-based oils, one for dry and damaged hair, one for thinning hair, and one for normal hair. And they're blended with other oils to combat that particular problem. And they're all infused with henna so that the protein of the henna makes your hair thicker, stronger, and you'll have more voluminous, soft, and shiny hair. So take your pick and enjoy the results. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, and we'd love to hear from you, so do send us your comments right here.